This is the Space Gray Magic Mouse, Apple's $100 wireless mouse solution. This model is actually $20 more than its normal Magic Mouse, but in color white. Just a quick side note, this mouse is the 2022 version, released alongside with its Black Magic keyboard and the Mac Studio plus the Apple Studio display. So sorry for the mistake. That doesn't matter because we're here for the mouse. Now let's unbox this thing. Right off the bat, the mouse feels very premium. The button on top is very clicky, and I'm aware it's made of glass. And the aluminum underneath is super polished and it's super clean. The lightning connector feels very premium too. It's got a black color to it, which I find very rare when it comes to Apple products. And I don't know if you can see the texture here, but apparently, the charger's braided, which is something that I only see in Apple's iMac and Apple's Mac Studio. The only thing I don't like about this mouse is where the charging port is located. As you can see here, we have this lightning port underneath, and it also makes charging very inconvenient because when you want to charge it whilst using it, you have to like this, which not only affects your performance but also the cable's longevity. But hey, it's Apple anyway. Now let's connect it to my iPad. So this is my iPad. Let me move my camera up. There we go. So to turn this thing on, you have to flick this switch right here. Then go to your settings, go to Bluetooth, and wait for other devices.
Meanwhile,
first off, it's pretty responsive, and it can do this. Let me check if it can do gestures. Oops. You actually can. Whoa. This is awesome. Now let's connect this mouse to my MacBook. Enter the umbilical cord. My Magic Mouse is paired now. Let's just go ahead and connect it. Oh, it's already connected. Let's try using this. Overall, I like this Magic Mouse, except for the fact that its charging placement is very weird. But anyway, it's still great. I like the premium feel, I like its build, and I like how it's just one big button. As always, if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more, make sure to click the like and subscribe. That is all for today, guys. Stay creative.